Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on your Doogee S98. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, find the app called Notify Body. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app, move to the next step, and here we'll need to grant its free permissions. First one is a phone permission. Simply click on grant and then allow. Next is overlay permission. Here you will need to find notify body and enable it like this. Next is to go for notification permission and do the same thing. Last thing in this menu is a battery optimization, and disabling it is optional. Now let's move to the next step. Click OK, and from here we can start using our app. So you have 4 tabs down here, and the first one is user. Here select any app to allow custom LED lamp notifications for, and in this case let's enable Super Toss the Turtle. Next is system, and here you can select any system bound apps. In the active you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change everything about this LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, whatever you want, but some of the options are locked behind the premium version of this app. Now let's click on a test, and in the left top corner you can see this LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.